Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Parrot Security OS 6.3 on VirtualBox. First, go to Parrot Security OS official website, that is parrotsec.org. Enter. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 6.3. Click on download or click on download. Either is fine. Then see here we have live or virtual machine or IoT. So select live. Then we have to select the edition. Security, home or HDB. I am going to install security. Click on it. Then click on this architecture. See here. Once you selected all the options, we have the download option and its version is 6.3 Lorikit. Okay. This is the release date. So click on download. If you click on this download, it will download the direct ISO file. If you want to download by using torrent link, you have to click on here. I am going with direct download, so click on download. See, download started. See here, its size is 5.2 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and install it. Start virtual Oracle. See here, I have the VirtualBox. See, these are the list of the virtual machines on my Oracle VirtualBox manager. Click on new or machine and select new. Either is fine. Then here we have to provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving PRSec 63 VM. Name can be anything. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. And see, this is the default location. If you want to change this location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Now select the downloaded ISO image. Click on drop down, then select other, then P. See here I have the Parrot Security OS 6.3 ISO file. Click on open. See, once you selected, type change it to Linux, subtype to Debian and version as Debian 64-bit. Then see here, skip unattended installation grayed out. It's good. If it is not grayed out, you have to select the checkbox, that is skip unattended installation. Then come to hardware. See, by default it has selected 2 gigabytes. I want to give 4 gigabytes. Then number of CPU cores 2. These are based on availability. Hard disk by default it is 20 gigabytes. I am giving 100 gigabytes. This is also based on the availability. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click, select settings or click on settings or machine and settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start or right click, start and normal start. Both the options are same. Click on start. Maximize it. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install, and hit enter. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press right control from your keyboard. See, now cursor is released. See, this is just for temporary purpose or testing purpose. If you want to install Parrot OS permanently, just double click on it. Again double click on it. See, you got the full screen. So if you want to install it permanently, right click on this install, then open. Then select the language and click on next. Then you have to select the region and zone. See, it has selected New York. If you are from India, you have to select here. Or you can select the region and select the zones. Okay. And if you want to change system language, you have to click on change. I am okay with all the defaults. Only I have changed my location. Then click on next. Keyboard option, I am going with defaults. Click on next. Select this erase disk and click on next. Now we have to create or set up user. So I am giving username as R2 schools. This is user full name. This is the username. Now this is the computer name or host name. We can change this later also. PR63 VM. Then provide the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then click on next. See, this is the installation summary. If you are okay with all the settings, click on install. If you want to modify or edit anything, you have to click on back and you can edit. Okay, I'm okay with all the settings. Then click on install. Again, it is asking confirmation. Click on install now. See, installation has been started. This will take time. So I'm going to pause this video until installation completes. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See here, Parrot OS 6.3 has been installed on your computer. You may now restart it into your new system or continue using Parrot Security Live environment. Before restarting, you have to remove this disk from virtual drive. See, I have unmounted ISO file. Then restart. Keep the checkbox and click on done. See, now it is rebooting. Now provide the password of the account that we have created. Hit enter to log in. Close this one. Also notice here, previously we were having install option on desktop. Now it is gone. Now go to start. See here we have different applications. Okay. Even if you go to applications, see here we have different applications. Do you want to check updates? As now I don't want. Select no. Now open terminal. See here we have the terminal. Now verify the version that we have installed. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Parrot Security OS 6.3. Control A. Go to applications. See here we have the pen testing. Under pen testing, see we have different sections. Okay. The first step after connecting to Parrot Security OS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is going to update these many packages. Type and hit enter. This may take time. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install Parrot Security OS 6.3 on VirtualBox. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.